Too many bikes, not enough toolkits. I have an idea. Let's make one. The good people of Swerve are closing their shop, so I bought some of their fabric to use for my bag. The white fabric is a cotton with the topo lines of Glassell Park, and the red is a tougher shoulder fabric, better for abrasions. Always check what you're doing so you don't have to take it all apart and redo it like this guy here. Golden saddle strap holds it together. Not too shabby for a little bit of work. Got the Swerve Glassell Park topo fabric in there and some red shoulder, all wrapped in wax canvas. See you out on the streets.